Hi friends, I'm Dr. Subramaniam from Siri Hyderabad. So today we'll talk about energy auditor exam, which is one of the requirement who all the designated consumers, like the DCs, they have to appoint one energy manager, and also who want they have to get it done energy audit by a accredited energy auditor once in 3 years. So for this requirement, one has to pass the national certified examination conducted by Bureau of Energy Efficiency. And for this, now the latest mm, ad has come. So the next exam, the 23rd exam, will be on 25th and 26th of March 2023. So whoever wants to pass this exam, they can able to contact us. And the our credential is that I am also passed the similar exam in 2004, and that is the first exam. I'm one of the topper, and so far corrected because out of 22 times. So far corrected paper for almost 15 times, and set paper for 6 times. So that will give me the edge, and how the paper people write exam, what are the people typical requirements, how to pass the exam. They with the we now used to earlier we used to do like the called PTC, that is a pre-training course, which consists of 5 days. So 5 days offline training we used to do. In that first day we cover first paper, second paper, third day in third paper, and fourth is the again fourth paper, and the last day we used to clarify the doubts, and we used to conduct a mock exam, and also solve some of the old papers. So this is the pattern, but now everything is now online. So online now we are thinking of conducting online classes, maybe for 15 days, each day 2 hours, starting even in the evening. So that schedule we will able to announce shortly. So the requirement is one eligibility to become a certified energy manager or energy auditor is with engineering. So for energy auditors, it is a engineering degree of any branch, including architecture. Any branch or include architecture with 3 years experience, so they can able to write for the energy auditor. And if you are already either MTech or the MBA, then with the 2 years experience, you can apply for the energy auditor exam. But for energy manager and even diploma engineers are eligible with the 6 years experience. Any diploma holder, diploma engineer. Even the MSc candidates, MSc with the physics or chemistry and electronics. With electronics, and in the degree they should have a subject maths and physics as one of the subject. So with 6 years experience, they can able to apply for energy manager. So there are typically there are four papers. So four papers. First paper is mostly of is consists of general energy management, and second paper is a thermal. So thermal in the sense mostly subjects related to boilers or furnaces or insulation or the heat exchangers. So the various heat recovery. These are the things covered. And in the third paper, that is electrical in all the basics of electrical, again motors, then the compressors, pumps, air compressors, then DC sets. So these are the typical air conditioning. All utilities, electrical utilities will be covered in the third paper. And fourth paper is performance assessment of this equipment. Whatever equipment we are talking about in paper one, paper two, paper three, like a boiler performance assessment, how to evaluate efficiency, also furnace efficiency, or motor efficiency, or the pump efficiency, or the compressor, or the refrigeration, how to calculate KW for TR or the how to assess the TR. So those things, and in addition to that, some of the practical uh, sector experience, like they will be covering about non-conventional and also cement sector, textile sector, thermal power plant, steel sector. So those are the things covered in the fourth paper. So normally fourth paper is a open book, and people can able to carry the fourth edition. Four books are there will be given once you apply. So four books will be you will get it. If you are writing as a supplementary candidate, because you already got those four books. So those four books you can carry for the fourth exam. Fourth exam only that is allowed. It is a yeah. So now the fourth paper, though it is an open book, little difficult, because the pass percent is little more. The last time there's hardly only 10% of people have passed. So every time because we are assessing the performance of the candidates, the paper correction. So the quality of candidates who are appearing is getting reduced day by day. And every year people around now there are 29 centers all over India. There are 29 centers, and they can able to give a choice of three choices you can give. First choice, second choice for the preference of the exam. And typically each paper, first and third, second and third papers carry 150 marks. So 50 marks is for the objective, and 100 marks for the descriptive. So pass percentage 75%, 75 marks. That is 50%. So where for the first takes paper one, paper two, paper three, it is all 75 pass marks. Whereas for the fourth paper is only 100 marks. So 100 marks means one should get 50 marks. So as I said, there's a fourth paper is a little tougher, and why people fail in the fourth paper is because of time management. All the other three papers, there's first 1, 2, 3, you'll have a 3 hours exam. 3 hours also, because this is normally conducted Saturday, Sunday, 2 days, first half, second half, first half, second half. But when you come to the fourth final paper, so our mind is tuned for only thinking like 3 hours. So suddenly the paper duration is only 2 hours. So because of time management, people will fail in the though because you know the question, and also you have all the books also available with you, and all the formula there is available. Sometimes you may get even the same solved example, a similar example will be getting in the exam. Still people are not able to pass the exam. So this all through this our PTC, that is a pre-training course. So we will able to train them and mentally prepare and able to solve old paper, so that we can able to mentally prepare to face the exam. So that is the purpose of this PTC. And you have any doubts, because now the number of attempts is limited only for three attempts, and consecutive of 6 exams. So we have to within 3 times is the maximum allowed. And if you are earlier applied 17 and before the exam, then you have to write again afresh. So all the papers, though you have passed to 1 or 2 papers, they still again now you have to apply for fresh, and again we have to write all the 4 papers. That is the requirement. And typical exam fee is 10,000 for the individual who are applying. And of course, for SC, ST, and BC, there is some concession. If you are applying as a corporate, then the fees is around 20,000 rupees. Suppose you want to apply for as a supplementary candidate, the exam fee is around 1,500. So those things are available in the prospectus. They can able to go through the either BE website or the NPC AIP website, and they will get all the details. And if further any doubts so far related to the exam, you can write to us at sirixrg@gmail.com, or you can contact it at my mobile number, that is 9866 324 164. So, or you can able to log in to our website, that is siriexergy.com, www.siriexergy.com. You can log in and get details about the next PTC exam. So thank you, and all the best who are applying for this 23rd exam. Thank you.